book is built upon a concept called personalized newspaper. So a newspaper is actually written by an editor on his own ethics and values and based on his knowledge. But it's not mandated that everybody wants to learn his news. Instead, you can create your own newspaper, what you like, what you interested. Based on that, what Microsoft will do, based on your interest, based on your likes, they will add, they will give an ad on, they will categorize your profile. And whatever the ad suits for you, they will give an ad. So that is their business. Okay, now quickly go to this folder. Okay, first of all, I would like to now do a small exercise, but before that, I would like to show one folder. Okay, see, there are a lot of files. Okay, same files if you see, but the only year is different. 2020 January, 2020 February, 2020 March, 2020 April, 2020 May till 2021 May. Okay, if you just open and see, both are almost everything almost same. So this is the sample scenario. Here you have only 17 files. Okay, here you have 17 files. Okay, see, it's a tab delimited, and even you no need to worry about this tab delimited. Power BI is an intelligence tool. It will catch what is delimited by this text file, and then it will prepare. Okay, now let's say it's the same case. You have hundreds of files. Just assume hundreds of files. Let's say my sales from 2015 to 2021. Every month is a file. How many files? Just assume. And how many times you will get connect. But what instead of what you, if I don't tell this secret, what you do? You will just go, instead of go here and just search for text file. This one. And if you just use this is also an option, but it's not even good option. It's worst option in that case. Why? 1,000 times, 100 times you can't do. Okay. Very good, very bad practice. So interviewer might ask this question. It is one of the assignment given for Suresh. Okay. They have asked interview questions and he performed very good. And next step was just can you do this within 1 hour? And he was doing one by one, which is not an efficient one. And they rejected. Okay, but instead, single click, I will show you. Choose folder, connect, and browse it. Where it is, just go there, folder as source, copy this folder path, copy, and here it's not there, so let's go D drive, Power BI, this PC, D drive, Power BI, source, then folder as a source. See, I am selecting only folder, I am not going inside folder because this option will not let you to go inside because it's a folder. So if you just observe, this is folder. Okay, so this is also folder. Now let's do this. Okay, just click OK. Now see the magic. It's a big magic done by Power BI. Okay, so here now you see only sample data. Okay, and it's perfectly delimited by pipeline. Okay, but still it is not the actual data. It is all files. You see, all are files. January to 2021 5. These are all the files. It is not actual data. Okay, so there is an option. You can do combine and transform data, combine and load data, and transform data and load data. There's 4 options are there. Any button is work perfectly here, but in except don't load it directly. Just click combine and transform data or transform data. But I will show you this first. Okay, just to understand more. This I will share with you. Okay, so what will come? It will come as a folder name, but nothing. I got only 17 records because I have only 17 files. So you see, 17 items, 17 count. Okay. So 17 files. See here. Okay. You have selected one item, but total 17 items are there. If you select all 17 items, 17 selected. This is one of the important part to know, like just to count the files. Okay. Now 17 records we see, because each record is a file, but we want inside the data, not the file. Okay, that is a requirement. Okay, so just observe this game. Okay, now I am selecting this content. Actually my file is actually become a binary now. Okay, binary large object, blob. Okay, you will come to know blob when you understand the Azure. Okay, but now this is a binary. Any data become binary large object when you just understand the data lake store and everything. Okay, that's a different story, but I don't want to waste at this moment your time. Now I'm selecting this and I want to know which file it is data, so I will just select this and type also I will select, and let's say if something is date created. Okay, and a lot of things are there, but now I don't want to go. I just want these 4 columns. What I have done, I pressed Control and I selected whatever the columns I want. Okay, and then right click here and remove other columns. Remove other columns. Okay, now still now it's very simple and nothing fancy or nothing too something like something wow, it's nothing there till now. But now understand there are 17 files, but I'm just going to press this button. Okay, what is this? Combined files. What is this? 2 down arrow marks and all you can see binary. Okay, if you click any of them, then that will open up. See, this is the file, but this is only one file. We want all files. See, this one file is more than 200 records. You can just take a count and go to transformation, take a count. It is just almost what is this? 20,000 records. Huh? Yeah, 20,000 records almost. So each file has 20,000 records. Then 17 into 20. 17 into 20,000. How much? Almost 3 lakhs records. Okay. So, but we don't want this, and we don't want to import only one CSV. Okay. We want all files. The 3 lakhs files. 3 lakhs records we want. I don't want only 20,000 records. Okay. Now just see. See, I came back because I just at any point of time I can see any file data. Okay, simply I can do a query as a new data. This is one thing. This is also one thing, good thing. But again, 17 times I have to do add as a new query, add as a new query, add as a new query. Okay, it's a 17 times. I know all are same columns. Everything will match. I know. I have analyzed the data perfectly, and they have already told it is all same format files. Okay, this is the scenario. I don't want to add as a new query, but what I can do instead, I just click this button, combined file button. Now understand the magic. Now it will work. Power BI will create some supporting files. Okay, and I will tell you what are all those files. It will ask you based on what file format I want to combine. Okay, so combine in the sense it is not a merge, it is append. Okay, same format files will become an append. We know append logic. We know append rules. What is the rule? Rule is first rule is all column names should be same, including case sensitive. All names should be same. Header should be same. Otherwise, they will come nulls, and this extra column will come. So you need to come back and fix back and forth. So that is a thing. Now you see order date, channel date. Now it's inside the data. This is file inside the data, and it's took a one first file. Okay, first file. So the file name also it is telling some January 1. Okay, 2020 January. Okay, that first file is taken as a sample. Specify the settings for each combined file based on a sample file. It understand. Now show me how your file format looks like. Which file I should take. So that's how, and it based on his understanding it took first file, and it's not giving any other option also. Okay, because it did not find any difference between all other files. Okay, so that is the IntelliSense. But if they are the different files, then it will drop down. It will tell you no need to go and check each 117 files whether it's the same, whether the name is same or not, whether the column count is same or not. How can I know they are the CSV files? Nothing. Okay, be confident. Come and use this folder option, and you will see the magic. Now I'm just clicking OK. See, now till now it's only one folder and only 2 steps. But now see, Power BI will automatically create a couple of steps for you to expand all these files. Now see how many folders, functions, sample file, parameters, transformation file. See helper queries folder. Okay, this is our folder, our file, actual file. Okay, so now if you just close this, now you see this is our file. Now you see more than 1000 records, means almost 6 lakh record I should get. If my assumption is correct, each file is 20,000, means 17 into 20,000, almost 3,40,000, something like that, approximately. See, 3,27,000. So it's correct. My assumption is correct. Okay. So this is how you should do testing. And so now see, 17 files become one file with one click. Is it wow? Can you say wow? Yeah, it's a wow. Okay. So now you can just give a proper name and then close and apply. Okay, that's it. Close and apply. But you can, if you want to do some kind of transformations in simple flat file. Okay, 6 lakh records may not be good enough data. It's fair enough data, but still I highly recommend there is a brand which is a dimension, channel which is a dimension, product which is a dimension. Okay, it's a product code, I guess. It's a dimension. It's a title. It's a dimension. See, lot of duplicate records are actually happening. UPC is a dimension. Okay, and just analyze sessions is a dimension. Okay, and these many dimensions are there. You can just what you can do, you can disable enable load and make a reference and create a fact and fact table, and also take one more reference and create a dimension. I told you it's not that simple, but yeah, so if you have keys, okay, then that's perfectly fine. You can do that. See, you see channel repeating multiple times. Instead you can just give a channel ID, okay, which will save the column size. Here the Power BI is actually a column based processing engine or TPAC engine. So instead of Amazon FBA, you can a lot of things are there. You can give ID, like a channel ID 1 2 3 4 5. So one digit will not make a difference. Your performance will be huge, and you can easily understand like your channels, how many unique channels you have. Okay, and channel brand name, I think in one channel you have a lot of brand names, so they are related. So something like that you can just title of that product or something. Okay, product ID. Okay, product ID is there. Yeah, this is a key column. Okay, using this key column you can keep this and make them others into dimensions. Okay, so what I can see in the dimension 1 2 3 4 and keep this. And let me go to this. I don't know what is UPSC. It's scientific model, and I've already told this, but that's okay. But I'm just quickly showing the sessions. Okay, these are all the dimensions, and remove others. Remove others. Okay, remove others, and you can use remove duplicates here or entire table. I don't want to repeat any data twice. So where is that remove duplicates? Remove duplicates. Because dimension should have a proper thing, but title will make you nonsense. I think it's a lot of each individual product will have. That's the reason you can prepare channel and brand into one more and give a brand ID because product will have a different in unique names, okay, title name. This is not a good idea. Make a product separate table, brand separate table, okay. And if you want channel also, you can make a separate dimension, but that's okay. Brand and channel, you can prepare one, and product and product, so create one more channel ID, something like that, or brand ID, something like that, okay. And analyze your fact, just like a population, dim date, okay. What was the other one? Not dim date, dim region we prepared, and what is the other one? Dim age group, okay, something like that. You can create using this same thing we have done, okay. So now I'm just clicking and closing, then you can do your own analysis. So my intention is to tell you how to connect 100 files at one single click if they are in the same format. Now next challenge, the next version of it, and nowhere you see this concept, but I'm telling you, let's say you have a lot of complexity, like wide varieties of file. Let's say my source is having 5 years of data, but my source not only single format file, but 5 formats, okay. 5 formats are there. What is the next case? What I do, okay. So that is next question. Now to do that, let me open my fresh blank file so that you won't confuse, okay. Come on. Any questions here with this merging for combining files? You can try with other options. I just use this transform data, and if you want to use this combined files, how that works, just give a try. I will give this source files, okay. You can play with it, and if you have any more questions, you can just correct this guy, so Suresh, okay. And the requirement is this. What is that? No, it's not there. Let's see. Is there? No. See, this one. This is the requirement. Import and merge the Power BI files and create the output just like this. This is assignment. Just ask you to create one table, something like that. Borders, header color, this one, and this one. See, interviewee might ask 100 things, but if you tell how much you done, they will decide your caliber. That's it. It's not mandatory that you should do everything, whatever they ask, but give the best. They will decide, okay, this is good. Actually, he has done, quite enough. We can take him, and he can work. Maybe slowly he can work, but that's fine. He knows all the concepts. That's what he feel. He knows all the concept, but yeah, once you get some time, if you understand this concept, then he will work. So something like that he will decide. Okay, he's also a human being. Okay. But it's very rare actually. I never see this giving assignments and taking job. That is very rare. That's the reason you practice my assignments. Take challenge. You will not understand, but make some seniors from your group, because I will not teach 24/7. But I'm interested. Whenever I get a time, I'm the first person wants to give an answer. Okay. So that's my motto. But sometimes time will not permits to answer each and every question because of my job, and maybe I'm busy, something like that. Now I've opened brand new Power BI desktop, and let me save and close this. Okay, apply changes, and let me close this. What is this? Save only. I'm not using. I will close this. Okay. What is this? 100 plus sources, 100 plus files with the folder source. Okay, 100 plus files. Plus will work. Let's see. With folder source. Yeah. So 100 plus files with the folder source. So you can use this option. I will just close this. But now my scenario is little complex. All are same files with single click, it's working. But let's say In the same folder, okay, I have 5 varieties of files, okay, like sales, departments, customers, locations, wide varieties of files are there. Okay, yesterday I have created one scenario for that. Let me just go to this data folder. Okay, see this one. See here, you see sales, sales, they are same, similar, because if you open this, I will show you, I will show one by one. Understanding data is very important. I can click and show the magic. But see, if you see the product and year P1, P2, P9, and the year is this same year. Okay, I have these many products. Okay, I'm just closing this sales 2019, but yeah, meaning it's not meaningful because sales amount is not there. But I've just give a name, product. Instead of sales, I should give a proper name, product. Okay, product 2018, product 2019, product. See, this is also same product name, but again the same 2021. Okay, likewise I've prepared the same thing. I've just duplicated and then I've created couple of files. Okay, this is one set, and this is the second set. If you see sales 1, sales 2, sales 3, sale 1, sale 2, sale 3. Let's see what is this looks like. See, this is this has 4 columns, so I cannot append because append will not work. Let's say if you give a different name, these are all different names, entire different, and my requirement is also to process separately, should not include with other set of files. I should not include other set of files. We know we can combine any files, but if there is no matching record, null will come. But no, I don't want to do that. I want to have these 3 separate and these 4 separate and these 2 separate. Okay, and I want to load these other 2 independent files. Okay, and here is nothing actually. I don't know. Comma. Okay, I will just save because I want some data just to showcase. Okay, now these are all the files. How many files? 11 files are there. Okay, now let's do that. Take this as a source. Let's do that. This is very good option and it's a real-time option. I worked it. I put a lot of efforts, and maybe it's almost 1 week, I guess, to analyze this and to get this. Okay, now I'm showing within 10 minutes. Now the same thing, get data, and same folder option. Same folder option I'm choosing. This is more exciting. I got an appreciation for this. Okay, even my client is also knows Power BI very well. But when I showcase this, he was wondered actually. Oh my God, it's wonder actually. That's how he said. Where is that in the source files? Right? Let me just check. Yeah, May batch only, May and data folder. Let's go to Power BI and May batch and data folder. Okay, now I have chosen this folder. Inside the folder I have data, and you don't need to put backslash and everything. Okay, that's perfectly fine. You click OK. Same thing, whatever you see for all same files, you will also see the same, but the game will change. It will not the same, because if you just combine, everything will be messy. It's not good idea. Now you see same thing. You also got the same combine and transform, but I don't want to do because all are different files, and I have one text file also. If I remember, see, one text file is also there. So I cannot combine, and it will become messy. Now let's do transformation again. It will go to Power Query Editor. The tool inside the tool. What is Power Query Editor? Next dialog, tool inside the tool. It's a ETL tool. What is Power Query Editor? It's an ETL tool. Extract, not ETL actually, ELT tool. What is ELT? Extract, load, and then transform. It will load everything and then it will transform. Okay, and but yeah, you can use ELT or ETL. So ELT is the latest concept once cloud coming into picture. See, previously they don't want to take everything. See, they are more interested into what is required, then only they will take. So taking lots of other data was not efficient that time, previous days. You know, when data warehousing was booming, that time they used to take only the quality data and required data. But when it comes to cloud, first take everything and whatever you want, then take it. Storage is not a matter. So the cloud concept is storage is not a matter. Everything is very cheap. All of a sudden real estate become a down, something like that happens once cloud come into picture. You never expect real estate will go down, plots rates will go down. Who knows? Just like cloud computing, some other technology might come. House become pod houses, and 60 square yards might be more than enough. So who knows? Just like cloud. So maybe houses become cloud houses on top of in the air. They may something like that, and whenever they want, they may go down, and then people can do their work and they go up. They may leave something like that. It's an idea, creative idea. Wow, it's my idea, guys. Don't take this idea and do business. Okay, if anything, then I am the proprietor, because all you are it's recording, and okay, I'm just kidding. Okay. Remove other records, other columns. And why I am taking this? I will tell you. Sorry. Tomorrow, if any files come after this date, I can use this as a date filter. That's the first case. That's fine. But what about these file types? Yes. This is one of the most important part. Okay. Now what I will do? I will just I will make this as a master folder, data folder master. Okay. It has everything. Okay, but I will just disable load, and what I will do, make a reference, and make a reference. I want to have a sales files first. Make a sales files. Okay, sales folder. I want only having these files. Okay, so in this case, what I can do first, first filter is it's a Excel file. Okay, then the text file will go off. I'm just telling you all possibilities. Okay, I can simply go and just select whatever the files I want here. But here, let's say you have wide varieties of types. First filter is just take only Excel files. Okay, some less records will come. Okay, then you can come here and then choose. Don't select all, but select only these files. And if you have huge files, just select sales. Okay, you will get only these files and select them and click OK. Anything is perfectly fine. Okay, see now I have these files. Okay, and then what I can do, simply I can expand this. I will tell you different stories. Okay, here is a game. Just assume in the real time you have 1,000 files with the file name. Now you may ask, I will tell you one more story. I will tell you a couple of ways. Okay, now it's choosing first file, and now this is okay, because all are same files, so that is the reason it's giving only one file, and click OK. This will become, again I will recreate the same scenario with a different story. Okay, just you may ask question 2018 to 21. It's very easy because 5 files you have selected manually. You may ask this question, I have 100 files, I cannot go and check 100 files, right? Yes, you are right. Be smart. I will tell you one smart technique here. Right, scheme? Here. I'm not loading. It's loading. See, sales table is created. It's the same story. Helper files, transformation file. This is something nothing but it's what is this? This is a parameter. Okay, sample file, and it's a parameter list. Okay, and you just go to this. I mean, it's nothing. Okay, it will prepare the list, and they'll pass all the files through the list. Okay, list file. Okay, so this is one. I mean, just like what we have done so far with the other ones, right? So now all files become 36 records. Okay, each file. But in the other case, as I said, if you have 100 files and I cannot go and select each and every file, right? So yeah, I'm going back. Okay, maybe I'll just showcase in another case. Okay, so we have another source, right? I'm going back here again. I'm taking a reference one more time. Okay, reference this time I want, maybe yeah, same story I can do here there, but I don't want to do that. I will tell you one more story. Okay, just be curious. Okay, now this time I want to have what? Sales table. Only the sale, not sales. Okay, sale. It might be confusing you, but nothing confused. Okay, by seeing it you can understand. These are the three, to another set. This is another set. Now here I don't want all, but I will tell you one magic. I will remove this. I don't want this. Okay, just assume. Even this is it's not a master file, but I am doing here. See, in the master, that column still there, but in the reference table it removed. That's perfectly fine. And now just assume there is an option called split, right? You can do a split option. There is a split option, split by, split column, split column by delimiter, character and position, and upper and lot of things are there. I'm just saying delimiter. And yeah, it's automatically chosen. Dot is the best option. Go ahead. Yeah, I'm okay. See, now you see file types and file names. Okay, still now still I don't want to have this option, but I want one more option, delimited by hyphen. Now you see I will get only these three files. Let's assume you have 100 files, something like that. Okay, that will help you. Okay, what I will do, I will again go and split column by delimiter, but this time I will use hyphen. Yeah, see, it's automatically chosen. See, now what I will do, this is a file name. Okay, and this is the year, or maybe suffix or suffix, something, some other name. Okay, suffix, and this is the file type. Okay, now assume, now if I just go and simply select sales, means very easy, all sales file will come. See, let's say you have 1000 files with sales name and 1, 2, 3, 1000 1, 2, 3s will come. Single click, single filter, boom. Okay, what is this? Sale file. Enter. See, it become a sale. Now if you want the same previous sales, okay, instead of this, you will also get the same sales. See, you have 100 files, 1000 files. How many? Single click. Go and search for sales, you will get 100 files. But in this case, I am just choosing sale file, okay, or sales file. See, now then click this magic. This is other set of files. This is real time. And there are, in the drive, there are two real time projects. Okay, one is Bhupati Raja project, the other one is one freelancing project. Okay, just go and observe, and if you have any questions, then ask me. I do have one more, apart from this assignment, I do have one more assignment. I will also share with you, but if time permits. Okay, I'm not okay. This is one file. Okay, one file, and I'm clicking OK. This first sample file, we know the same story. Click OK. Don't put any mind. Okay, just whatever it asks to click, just click. That's it. It will run. It will done. Now I will just go back to the back end. Okay. Sometimes it will come like that. Okay, you have to go back and forth. And guys, tomorrow is the demo. Refer your friends and touch their lives. It's a kind of win-win situation. You can teach them, you can work with them, Okay, so and grab your friends. Okay, there is a friend who can share their troubles or the problems and things like that. Refer your friends, refer your juniors. Okay, who will just listen your names to understand their career growth, and who have struggling their career to settle down, who might have 4 to 5 years of gap or 6 7 years 8 years of gap, but they can still showcase for 4 5 years. Okay, you put a lot of efforts to learn this degree. 17 18 years you studied, but can't you study for 3 4 months here just to learn SQL, Power BI, and some other Azure? You have to, because this will give you a real result. Okay, don't neglect, guys. Take it serious. Get the job, and you know help society. Okay, the corona teaches us, if you are not good, that's not enough, and other person also should be good. Then only you will live. Otherwise, both will die. Both will die. Okay, that's the story. So that is called Satya Yugam. Okay, now Kali Yugam is ended. A great scientist was told like this. Okay, but that's fine. It's a spiritual scientist. Okay, he's not a so-called scientist who is not even finding a coronavirus, and something like that. He's a spiritual scientist. She was a spiritual scientist, and she showed, but she failed the experiment. I really accept that. Okay, it's a science. Okay, everything is science, but science is exploring. It's not inventing, it's exploring. It's not creating any new product, but it's inventing. It's already there in the existence. But spiritual is far more better, far more ahead, but science is actually lagging. Okay, but that's okay. Don't go, it's purely on mental mindset, because people mindset, they understand, based on that spirituality is built, but science is purely based on the cause and effect. Okay, they are two different dimensions, you cannot compare them, but still if you compare, that is the story. What happened? Here is our story. Yeah, so now sales table, it become all, and see, same product, all are good. 27 records. One has, see, now you see lot of steps are happened. But now see, I want my file names. Yeah, where is my file name? I don't know which record is come from which table, right? I want my file name. How can I get that? Here also, if you go here, there is no file name. I want my file name. Can I get that? Yes, you can get that. Let me tell you. Go back, just close this. Just experiment, okay? Just understand what is happening. Just close this, expand table. See, only this table part they have chosen. But why? There is a, what was that? Combined data. Let's go to this master file. Binary data only. But I don't see any table data. But here you see table data. Wow, how it come? Let's go back and see. See, the binary and table. This binary become a table. I was selected only these columns till this, but extra column transformation file is created out of this content. That is called table. Okay. Now, I want my file name, file suffix. I want these two things in file type also I want, and creation date also I want, because I want to know when the file was created in my scenario. Now what I can do, I will just remove this, okay, and I will expand this now. What is this? Combining files, but from tables, not from the binary. Binary I removed. Okay, the invoke function created binary from binary file to a table file, because the function understand that the binary has a table, so it's created a table. That is beyond the story, but not to worry. You no need to worry about it. If you know the concept how to do, you can do that. Okay, now just expand. It will ask to use the column file name, but I don't want to have a column name. That just click on it. Now you see file name is there, suffix is there, file type is there, and date modified is there, and the file data is there. And you can also do the same thing for this file, same this also. Here we don't have file names, only two columns. Just go back, and you see only table. I don't want only table. Here I want to have a, say, binary, remove the binary, and now just expand these tables. See how beautiful it is. That's the reason I took 1 week. we require this kind of story. That is the reason I do experiment, do this, do that, do that, do this. Okay, then I realized, okay, this is a best way to do that. See, file name, extension, record, and here we don't want extension. Okay, then you can remove that. That's perfectly fine. And here also I don't want, because where I want here just to filter out something like that, or in the other filter I can filter. Here I can go, I can give one more filter option saying that it should be more about 2020, something like that, or till 2001 to and lesser value should be 2019 to above files, something like that. You can apply filter. Okay, apply filter saying after see here, sorry, after 2019. Yeah, insert. Yeah, I had hundreds of files, so what I put a filter, but yeah, hundreds, thousands of files, but they are older files also, which I don't want to take. I have files, but the files are starting from 2015, but I want only 2019 onwards. So how can I filter? Using this date creation. Okay, the creation date was different for them, so that's where I put a filter. So I had said simply, I have opened this calendar is after 2019, something like that. I chosen 2019 and January 1st. Click OK. So this is a filter condition. So though there are thousand files, and though they are from 2015 onwards, but I want to, my requirement is to get from 2019. I put the filter so that only those filters, and if you come here, simply those files will be there. But in this case, we don't have 2015 or 2019. It is only having 2021 onwards, so every file are coming. But that is the benefit of filtering. If you understand the W3 school, you appreciate this, and you appreciate that how we can play with the data. The W3 school SQL select statement. Just to understand select statement with all the functions like where class. Where class is one of the most important part. You can do lot of functions you can use, and more, between, not equal to, okay, and multiple filters. Where condition means multiple, where condition itself is a filter. Okay, you can put hundreds of filters there in the where condition, and group by having. Okay, these are all very rarely used, but used. Okay, where class is one of the most important in the SQL. Okay, any questions, guys? This is one of the most important part. Now any other? Okay, now let's do a sales, and then like a department. Just one more reference. See, this folder is also very user friendly. If you give the name first, then it's good. So this is for files, this is for file. Sale, this is for sales, this is for sale. And now I want here department. First we need to rename this before expansion. Department. This time I can choose this. Select. Click OK. But yeah, if you do this this master itself, you do extraction and everything, that is really good. If you do split by delimited, split by hyphen, that is really good, because you will save a lot of efforts here again and again you don't need to do. But here I can't do, because simply I have selected, because every time doing is not efficiency. If you do it here, then all will become like that. So that's the reason I took a lot of 4-5 days. Concept cleared maybe 2 days after, but I did back and forth and changed this source file, this, that, delimited, extension, created date, all this, going back and get these file names. See, that's how it is. But you may take 1 month, that's perfectly fine. Take it, they won't care about it, because you can say it's a complex, nothing is there in the internet about this. Just load a single folder with multiple varieties of files. Nothing is available. It's purely my own experiment. Okay. If anyone found, then share with me. I really appreciate that. Okay. Now, what is my department? I have chosen department and click this. Okay. In this case, I don't want this file name and all.